everybody. I am standing in front of an iKamper. It's a view that you don't see too often from the bottom. I'm going to be putting this back on top of a Prinsu Rack. I took it off the Gobi rack and got a Prinsu Rack, and I'm looking to put it back on there. The one issue that I have heard from a lot of people is that basically when the metal part of the iKamper contacts the Prinsu Rack, there's a rattling when you're driving. So what I've done here is put some rubber weather stripping along the aluminum rail on the iKamper so that when it goes back on the rack and it contacts those load bars, that you won't get any rattling. You can get this on Amazon. It's basically like a weather stripping for cars, and it's a peel-off 3M adhesive on the back, and it's just the right width here to put on each side of the mounting rail on the iKamper. So basically measured this out so that we're not bumping into any of the brackets which will go on here and go around the load bars, but we're covering ourselves across here where there are multiple load bars on center every 10 inches. So hopefully this will be enough rubber to stop it from rattling, and hopefully when we're putting it back on we don't knock any of this off. And then the brackets are super simple. These are the iKamper brackets that will go on once we get it on top of the rack, and then we'll put some rubber also between here once we get this back on the rack.